Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 6th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir had a special day. Yes, some of you commented, "Hi Pierre, you missed the big news yesterday after market, blah, 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 blah. The stock is going super up, $26. Oh yeah, this is fantastic." Yes, I admit I missed that, but I didn't miss much today. We closed up 37 cents, 1.59 at 23.58. Post-market, we are down 1 cent. What did happen? So we have a big red candle. So we opened quite up. So we opened, let me see, at $24.91, very close to $25. So I put this resistance right here. This is a no-brainer resistance to put there because on September 8th and also September 13th, we stopped right there. And also not too long ago, September 30th, we used that as a resistance. It was used as a support here, but now it was used as resistance here, and it was also used as resistance today. So we opened at 24.92 and then just went straight down and recovered a little bit towards the end of the day. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay, yeah, the stock had been very flat perfectly on 23.17 for 2 whole days. And now, because of the news that came out, blah, 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 the stock opened right here above, yeah, as I mentioned, at 24.88. Then went higher a little bit, then went down, and basically 3 candles down. Boom, boom, went straight down. So a lot of people bought right here, and then a lot of people sold. The selling pressure was greater than the buying pressure. Second hour, third hour, then things started to recover a little bit. So we have 2 green candles. So we went above, and I have this resistance here. I'm just wanting to make sure which one. 23.74. So 23.74. Okay. So 23.74. So we tried to cross 23.74. We closed above it, but could not maintain it. But the last hour here has some buying pressure. I'm really tempted to do this. So this is a hourly support. This is what seems to be happening here. I could also do this right here, but this is just the resistance that will not last a long time. But basically, this is what is happening. Maybe we are going to respect this support that I just did, and maybe we are going to inch up towards this resistance right here. Let me look at the indicators a little bit. Stochastic at 28. So stochastic is, yeah, it's a little bit higher, but not that much. MACD has crossed over bullish some time ago, yesterday. So from a MACD perspective, the fact that we went down super fast and now we are recovering, MACD is seeing this as a crossed over bullish. Is it going to continue? That's the big question. Let's go back to the daily chart. This is what this looks like. From an indicator's perspective, stochastic is at 8.93. So stochastic was not impressed at all by this fake move, I would call it. Everything else is all bearish. Yeah, everything else is all bearish. The DMI got a little bit better though. So stochastic did not bulge much, but look at DMI. DMI is seeing this move as an improvement in the bullishness in the stock expressed by the green line, and a decrease in the bearishness in the stock expressed by the red line. So this is interesting. You can focus on the hourly chart and see what happens and if we are going to respect this, and you can maybe get in. So maybe this is what I would do. At 23.74 we have this resistance, and we now have this support that I just did. So we are in an ascending triangles. Basically, if we cross 23.74, then I would be more confident that we are going towards maybe 24.60 or something like that. This is the first part I would take a look at on the hourly chart, and DMI is green. This is nice, and MACD has been calling this change in trend since October 4th. RSI is making higher lows also. This is all inching up towards, yes, the stock is building up a little bit of steam, and stochastic is doing also the same. Yeah, seeing this, I would tend to say that maybe this is a nice time to get in actually, because ascending triangle and all of our indicators are going up. I would say wait for 23.74 to get a better entry, which is still a low entry, but a much higher probability of continuing like that. But hey, what do I know? What do I know? What do I know? I'm just a guy who draws lines. This is not financial advice. This is just what I would do. And I've been wrong in the past. I've been right also, but I've been wrong too. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. We have a TradingView affiliate link. So if you want to use this fantastic tool and save some money, you can click on that link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. Go take a walk outside and look at the leaves. They are turning red and yellow and everything. It's very nice. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.